Welcome to QR5 Cyber News and Information. Our intern Juneel has been doing a great job bringing us information and updates during Cybersecurity Awareness Month. We have had some great feedback on your segment, In Space with Grok, and I believe you have really taken a strong interest in space cyber. You've had some time to dig into some research papers about the attack surface risks in space. I believe you have come up with a plan on how to deal with that. Tell us more.
Thanks, Naomi. In our second segment of In Space with Grok, we look at the key cyber risk factors in space. The space industry faces unique cybersecurity challenges due to its critical infrastructure nature, reliance on technology, and the integration of ground-based systems with satellites. QR5 shared his 3 favorite science papers for me to review. Firstly, Satellite Cyber Resilience by lead author Jordan Plotnick. This paper emphasizes the need for satellites to withstand and recover from cyber attacks. The key risks discussed include unauthorized access to satellite systems, disruption of communication links, and tampering with satellite operations. Resilience strategies might involve secure communication protocols, regular firmware updates, and redundancy in critical systems. The second paper, Identifying Attack Surfaces in the Evolving Space Industry, Bradbury and Maple. This research details how the expanding complexity of space systems increases their vulnerability. Notable risks include the insecure interfaces between various ground station systems, supply chain vulnerabilities where third-party components could be compromised, and the integration of commercial off-the-shelf (COTS) technologies that might not be designed with stringent security standards. Also, the modular orchid-based flight dynamics software paper from Maxime Journout and others is very interesting. Here, the focus is on the software vulnerabilities in systems that calculate and control satellite orbits and maneuvers. Risks involve software bugs or exploits that could lead to incorrect orbital calculations, collisions, or loss of control over the satellite. Managing cyber risk in space involves a comprehensive approach where each component, from ground systems to onboard software, must be secured against cyber threats. The integration of NIST 853 controls provides a structured method to mitigate risks. Access controls and identity management are critical for preventing unauthorized access, which could lead to mission compromise or data breaches. Secure communications ensure that data transmitted between ground stations and satellites remain confidential and unaltered, crucial for maintaining operational integrity. Software and system integrity checks are fundamental in flight dynamics software to ensure accurate orbital calculations and prevent catastrophic errors. Supply chain management becomes increasingly important as the space industry uses more COTS components, which can introduce unforeseen vulnerabilities. Resilience and recovery mechanisms are necessary for maintaining operations under cyber duress or after an attack, ensuring that satellites can continue functioning or quickly recover. These are just a few initial thoughts. The evolving landscape of space exploration and satellite technology demands not only adherence to these controls but also continuous updates to security practices as new threats emerge. This interdisciplinary approach, combining aerospace engineering with cybersecurity, is essential for safeguarding our increasingly space-reliant infrastructure.